Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix YouTube Kids not working on your PC or phone. If your app isn't loading, videos won't play, or the website just keeps freezing, this video will help you get it working again. First, let's start with the basics. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Try opening another website like Google or YouTube to check if your Wi-Fi is working properly. If it's slow, reconnect or restart your router. Next, check if your YouTube Kids app or browser needs an update. On PC, open your browser's settings and update it to the latest version. On mobile, go to your Play Store or App Store, search YouTube Kids, and tap Update if it's available. If it still doesn't load, try clearing cache and cookies. On PC, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete. Select cached images and files, and click Clear Data. On Android, open the Settings app and scroll down until you see Apps. Tap Apps, then look for YouTube Kids and select it. Next, tap Storage or Storage and Cache, and then tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, simply delete the app and reinstall it fresh. Now restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot fixes everything. If the app still doesn't open, sign out and back into your parent account. Tap the lock icon under Account. Click Sign Out, then sign back in with your Google account. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. YouTube Kids sometimes blocks connections from them. Also, double-check your date and time. If your system clock is wrong, it can cause sign-in or playback issues. Set it to automatic time. And if nothing works, you can delete and recreate your child's profile. Old profile data can sometimes glitch, and creating a new one usually fixes it instantly. And that's it. You've now fixed YouTube Kids not working in just a few easy steps. Check your connection, update the app, clear cache, and restart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech fixes and tutorials.